With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screws from the top of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We remove the NFC antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We introduce a metal opening tool. It's time to remove the broken screen. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending on the color of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the screen. Before glue the screen, we have to clean the old adhesive from the middle frame. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.